Hi guys, we're heading to Zaandam today, but because we don't have a near tram station, so we need to walk through the Dam Square. So here's our view. This is one part of the Keizersgracht street. So yan, wala kaming sasakyan, kaya maglalakad kami papuntang tram station. Ayun, kasi gusto namin pumunta dun sa market para kumain ng fried fish and fried shrimp. And para din makapaggala. So, and then, pakikita din namin sa inyo yung Zaandam na sikat na hotel doon para makita nyo na maganda siya. This way is going to the Sari-Sari store, Filipino store here in Amsterdam. Maliit lang siya pero mabibili mo naman yung mostly na gusto mo. Yan, and very nasty today. Ang hirap gumala pero kaya naman kasi hindi man siya ganun kalakas ang ulan. This is the Sari-Sari. Yay! The Sari-Sari store. And this is one of our favorite chocolate, Puccini. This store. Little bit expensive, but super nice. Look at the street. It's really a brick from, I don't know if it is 50s. And then everywhere construction, everywhere nasty. Dito tayo sa tram station. Ito yung palace. Here's the palace. Wait. Here. Look at that. Diba? Rain or shine. So, enjoy nyo lang yung view from the city center of Amsterdam. Everything here is beautiful. This is restaurants, a lot, and then bahay dyan sa taas. And then look at the bikes out there from Flagship. Ito yung company na nagtutour ng boat, and then meron na rin silang feets or bike. Look at that. Pwede mo yung sakyan, pwede mo yung arkilahin. You can rent, you can ride on it with a guide tour. So, sa lahat ng gustong gumawa, this is Flagship from the Dam Square. That's Flagship. I'm go near there para makita nyo ng maayos. But this is beautiful. Waiting on the tram. We were on the station. Guys. Ayan na. May tram na sa kabila. Wala pa yun dito. That's the tram. Durex. That's funny. So, tram na kami. Look at that. Guys, nasa central na tayo. Umuulan talaga. Look at that. Kawawa naman yung mga nagtutour kasi mababasa sila sa kanila. Look at that. Yung Central Station ng Amsterdam. See, ang daming tao. Punta tayo sa loob. Sa loob tayo. Sasakay ng train papuntang Zaandam. So, umuulan talaga siya. Ayan. Yan siya. Sa baba, may metro. Then dito, train. Then kapag pala sasakay ko yun ng tram, pwede yung mga debit card nyo. In, tsaka out lang. Kapag papasok kayo, then lalabas sa out. I-scan nyo lang. This is a metro station. Pababa siya. Yun. And then, pasok tayo dito sa Central. Lagi itong under construction. Look, ang daming tao. Which is, baba natin yung cam kasi ayokong tignan natin kung anong oras ang papuntang Zaandam. May monitor dito. Madali lang ang transportation dito kasi nasa city center kami. Pagbaba namin ng Zaandam, yun yung centrum or central. Here. So guys, nasa train na kami. Bawal maingay. Look. See. This is the train. Hi, Bobby. Hey. So, it's 15 minutes going to Zaandam. Yeah. See you there. Guys, nasa Zaandam na tayo. Just, I think 12 minutes from Central Station. Then, nandito na tayo sa station ng Zaandam. Aakyat tayo there. So, palabas na tayo ng Zaandam Centrum. Ito yung hotel na dinadayo dito. It's called Intel Hotel. This Intel Hotel. This is like Dutch architecture with modern elements. Ay, nasa taas. Ayan po. Lakas ng ulan. But fish is life. Yan. Tapos sa baba highway. Ito yun. Malakas din yung hangin kasi nasa taas tayo. Yep. Nakikita ko sa inyo yung hotel na dinadayo dito, yung nagpapapicture sila. Well, may picture din ako dyan. But, look at that. See this Intel Hotel?
Oh, yes.
Ilang araw maganda yung weather. Ngayon, hindi. Tignan nyo siya. Subway! Ito siya. Ito siya. Enjoy the view. And then, baba tayo para hindi tayo maulanan. Tama ba?
Yeah. Try it.
Denk ik. I think so. Baba tayo. Para meron tayong konting dahan-dahan madulas. Ito yung baba. So, this is Centrum, kaya may shopping center. May Primark. So, kakain tayo ng kibeling and shrimp. Sana meron pa kasi umuulan. Yun ang deny namin dito. Sana meron. Yeah. We can go here. We can go there. Not yet. Poopsie, Bobby.
Sorry.
We can go further. There. Hey. Boy. So the Sienna. We can go here. Look how cute. Bit in between. Pakita ko sa inyo yung gitna. Kasi look, small bridge, small canal, small sapa. Sapa yan sa atin. And then some of the stars. Dami na namang makikita dito. Ang dami ding mabibili. Maybe here, Rozenkracht Day. I hope there's something here.
Yeah.
Yes!
Market.
This is the market. Can go here. Yay! May kibiling. Here. There. I'm happy. There.
Okay.
There. Yes.
Hi, mag
Hi, Kies.
kleine zak kibbeling mee met extra veel kruiden. Nee, hoeft geen zout.
Look. Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Hi, guys. Look at this. I have calamari. I have prawns. I have kibiling and I have mussels. Mussels means tahong, all fried with garlic sauce. So, eto yung dinayo namin dito sa Zaandam. So happy na bukas pa sila. So, manood kayo kung paano kami kumain. This is shrimp. Hot dog. Pero ito yung gusto ko, fried fish. Cheers. Ang bata. Lekker.
Calamaris.
Calamari. Nice. Ito masarap dito. Yung tahong. Mussels. Sarap na. Tapos lahat to, kasama yung cola. Binayaran lang namin is 40 euro. It's like 39 euros. So, kung sa Amsterdam ka, city center ka, kakain, yung 40 euros mo parang eto lang. So, kaya kami dumadayo dito sa Sandam kasi napakamura niya. Ito yung the best sa akin. Actually, bago siyang iulam. Pero, masarap din siyang papakain.
Kan ik even alles opruimen?
Mm.
Doe ik het even hier in?
Come here.
Sarap.
Ayaw ko kasi yung lalaki. Mahirap lakpan ng...
Nee, straks goed.
Kung sa Pinas, suka. Dito, garlic mayo.
Weet je wat even bijna gestolen door een mail? Ik dacht dat we daar droog stond.
Guys, tapos na kaming kumain ng kibiling. Masarapan ka ba, Bobby?
Yes. Lekker.
Tapos,
Heel
show ko sa inyo yung mga stall dito sa market. The best Bulacan. Ito, sweets.
Yes.
Snoopyas. Sweets.
And the kaas.
Kaas is cheese. That's ang dami pala niyang variety. Tapos ito about chicken. Ito to. About chicken. And then ito ay gulay. Are we sweet? Ito ay vegetables. Ang gaganda nung sili, Bob, no? Arbay. Maganda din yung arbay nila. 3 euro 5 tak. That is neat door. And the cheese. All the cheese in the world. Yan mo na. Yan talaga ang buhay. Oh, the flowers. Tama yung mga flowers. Look at that, guys. Oh, nice flowers. Look at that. Nice flowers. Very European. Kaas means cheese. Guys, tayo ay kumain ng tart. Sparkling water. Hi guys, pauwi na kami. One last look sa Inter Hotel. Stunning. The Dutch structural modern hotel. Dito lang yung sentrum na ating sasakyan ng train. Come and see. Umuulan siya, umuulan. Oh, that one too. That building is nice.
It's new.
Yeah, I think it's new. See? Hanggang dito may nag-bike, diba? So, rain or shine, wala silang payong. Kami lang ang nagpapayong. So, yun yung Zaandam. Z-A-A-N-D-A-M. Zaandam. So, ganun ulit kapag sumakay kayo ng train, pwedeng yung ATM debit card mo na lang in, and then pag labas mo out. Uy, look at that, Bob. Kaya natin how much? No?
Yeah.
Katulad 15. Ang cute.
Oh, it's calamansi.
Yeah, this is calamansi here, guys. Calamancito. Calamondin. Look at the flowers. I like these flowers. Kapag summer, those. This is cute. See? Spore fear. Daming tao, kahit nasabihin mong ano siya, kahit sabihin mo umuulan, lot of people, kasi nga weekend. O, diba? Nakasama kayo sa travel namin. Madali lang dito, guys. Kahit wala kayong car. Yun yung sasakyan naming train. No, not me. That's... Oh yeah, here. Okay, here. Here, the heck. Nee, here. Amsterdam Central. Oh, echt waar. Oh, here. Not that. Oh, yeah. 5. Daar. 2 minuutjes. That's 2 minutes. Guys, train ay padating na. Wait nyo. Daar. There's the train. Wait nyo lang. To Central Station. Again, 12 minutes. Yeah, up and down. There's a first floor. Haba nung train. Actually, ang ganda sa dulo. If it is Ain, it's Ain. And if it is Sway, it's Sway. Second class. Sa second class lang tayo kasi 12 minutes lang naman tayo. Sasakay dito. We can go upstairs. Here. Guys, nandito na kami sa Central Station. Palabas na kami. Gamit ang aming ATM card. Kapag sa ganito, hanap lang kayo ng green. So, ito yung main terminal. Ngayon, I think we're going to ride a tram. Oh, this is 14 and 20. There on the Andrekant Bobby. Dun kami sa susunod na labasan. Kasi dito yung Kabila. Ito sa kabila. Okay. Buti na lang hindi ganun kalamig. Nakagala kami kahit na umuulan. Nice. Ito yung loob ng Central Station, yung pinaka-middle. Dito pwede kang umano ng train to Paris, to Belgium, to Berlin, Switzerland. It's here. And then, paglabas mo, look at that. Very nice. Vintage. Stunning. And then, paglabas nyo, ito na yung mga station ng trends. Umuulan talaga. So, pagdating dito, pakita natin yung ibabaw ng tram. Sorry. Yung harapan ng this is Amsterdam Central. See? Yeah. Here, that's fine. See, that's the over here. Amsterdam Central.
So the creativity that we are here, every single dancer there is dancing their testimony of how they come to know the Lord Jesus Christ. Amen.
So, ito na. Then, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong mga tram stations. Here. Makikita nyo dito kung anong number yung sasakyan nyo. Maybe 12, 17, 2, 5. Yan. Sa kabila, yun yung 24, 14, 26, I think. So we can go to 12, actually. Doon na kami namili. So, umpisahan natin sa conditioner. This one. Wala akong specific na conditioner and shampoo. Kung ano yung sale, yun yung binibili ko. This is buy one, take one. It's cold. But this is nice, ha? For my hair. So, a toilet paper. Kailangan namin to for Brussels. Candy for travel. Ito yung sa aming skincare. Buy one, take one din siya. It's not sponsored, but Neutrogena. Cotton buds. And I have highlighter. I'm gonna try this one, this brand. This is generic, not generic, but a Douglas is European brand. I got also brows ink here and long wear sharpable eye pencil color blue. It's not blue, but I don't know what color is this. They don't say. Sapphire blue. It's sapphire blue. Then I have from Primark or Primark. I got this because it's cute. Self-love makes you happy. So this is one of my gesture on my self-love. Self-love also. Bumili ako ng pambahay. Although wala namang pambahay dito, pero kasi pag pantula, not cheap, but this is not a dry fit. Dry fit because it says here it's just stretchy, super soft fabric. So, hindi makakahinga yung katawan ko kapag ganyan. Dalawa yung binili ko na shirt for my sleepwear. I got short. This is only $4. €4.50. Small. Pero alam mo, pag bibili ka sa Primark o Primark, usually down ka ng isang size. Kasi yung small nila, it's like medium. So, yung extra small sana. But, of course, sabi ko nga, gusto ko lagi siyang maluwag. And then, meron naman siyang tie. Also, this one. €4.50. Ito, kailangan namin to. Kasi, one night lang naman kami sa Brussels. Travel bottle set cost me €8.50. It's €1.50. And a shoes. I bought it because I just wear it on summer. And I always buy expensive sandals, and then it takes me 5 years na dyan pa siya, and if I do like Primark, I can throw it away or give it away after a summer. That was it, I think. I think that was it. So guys, after haul, after everything today, I hope nag-enjoy kayo for our Sandam trip and food trip. And sana ma-enjoy nyo yung vlog, yung mga views na pinakita ko today. Ma-explore nyo yung Amsterdam through my vlog. Yeah. I hope guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for the street you want to see here in Amsterdam. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!